A very warm good morning to my lovely students. Hope you all are doing well at home and I hope that you enjoyed your examination. Students, we are back with our regular classes. So today onwards, some of the students are going to join offline classes, means they will be coming to school, and some of you are going to study from home only. So no problem, the classes will run as usual. Now today we are going to do English reader, and in English reader we are going to start poem 3. And what's the name of poem 3? That is paper boats. Now you all are aware about paper boat. You know that with the help of paper we make shape of a boat, that is called paper boat, and that art is called origami art. Now this poem is written by famous Indian poet, that is Ravindranath Tagore. He was a Bengali poet. Now in today's session we are going to read this poem. So the poem is like this. Day by day, I float my paper boats, one by one down the running stream. In big black letters, I write my name on them. So the poet says that day by day he float his paper boats, and one by one, what he do? That running stream, on which that running water or running stream, he just float his paper boats. Then what he did? He writes in black letters his name on those boats and the name of village where he lives. Then next, I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. Then the poet says that I write my name on that. Why? Because I hope that someone in some strange, means some other place or land, will find those boats and he will come to know that who I am, or who am I, means who is that boy who had sent these paper boats. Then next is I load my little boats with surely flowers from my garden and hope that these blooms on the dawn will be carried safely to the land in the night. Then he says that I just pick up some flowers, surely flowers from our garden. Then I load those flowers in my little boats, and I hope that these flowers will bloom of the dawn. Dawn means early in the morning, will be carried safely to the land in the night. Means he's saying that I hope that these flowers which I am sending, they will bloom next early morning at that strange place. Then I launch my paper boats and look up into the sky. Then he says that he just launch means he just give motion those to those paper boats and look up into the sky. After that he look into the sky and see the little clouds setting their white bulging sails. And then he says that, and I see those little clouds that setting their white bulging sails in the sky. Then I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boats. When night comes, I bury my face in my arms and dream that my paper boats float on and on under the midnight stars. Then he says, the fairies of sleep are sailing in them, and the lading in their baskets full of dream. So babies, in this poem, that the poet has imagined that he just float his paper boats in a small stream, running stream. Then he hoped that they will float towards a new place, where, and he writes his name on that and the name of village where he lives. And then he expects that someone will receive those boats who are living in other place where these paper boat will reach. And he imagined about that how clouds will help to float it and how stars will behave in that condition in midnight. So in that way the poet is expressing his imaginary power in this poem. So that's all for today. Now what you have to do, you have to note down this poem 3 paper boats in your classwork copy. So babies, that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.